Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap. It's Friday night, so let's get started. A week started on the 22nd, right, Monday, and this is a EUR-USD 20-minute by the book long entry. Entry is right here. SL to move to break even, right, and it is for 50 pip. And here on the 23rd. You can see that this trade was closed. The entry was on 23rd, but closed on 24th. There was no trade on closed on 23rd. So on the 24th, I closed basically this one for 55 pip. I had this one earlier last week on this one. And pound franc is the one, the big one. And I closed this one also on the 24th. This entry right here is on the, just 23rd. And 24 right started here and all the way up. Both 2 days worth of trade, 245 pip. And here EUR-NZD, again same thing. The entry was on 23rd and it didn't move much, so I held it and went down on the 24th again and came out with 130 pip. And here on the 24th, entry was from 23rd. You can see here, right? And 24 started here, 2 days worth trade, 100 pip. And this is on the 24th. This is the entry was on. This is the one I just showed you, right? So I closed that one for 50, I guess. And here from on the 24th, from 20-minute chart, again long entry here for 75 pip, right? And this one here on the 25th, EUR-AUD was getting very strong. So EUR-AUD here, I had this one earlier, but I don't know if I had the chart or not. But here, this is the one on the 24th. Make an entry on the 24th and came out here only 75 pip. But still. On EUR-USD, this is the first one I just showed you earlier on Monday, and this is the one on the 25th. Again, it went up for 90 pip. By the book entry. Entry is just the same. Yellow has to be above the black. This indicator needs to be all the way down, and the price has to make a higher low. This is higher low here, and this is higher low here. That's it. And then on the 7th, on the 7-minute chart, on 25th, from 7-minute chart, this is by the book entry here for 100 pip all the way. And on the 26th, which is Friday, again, EUR-AUD. This was the first one. I closed it here. I missed all of that. And then again, from 20-minute chart, made an entry but failed to close here. And then it dipped here, but still from here to here was 70 pip. So no complaint. And then EUR-NZD did the same thing. It went up, it came back, and then it went all the way. I could have closed here, but wasn't available to do so. And it came down, but it's still from here to here, 100 pip. So this is how I came up with this 10-11 trades this last week. Not bad. I had maybe 6 or 7 SL hit. My SL is always the way my entry is that if I made an entry here, I put the SL right behind it, which is always 25 pip. So 24, 25, 26, something like that. And then as soon as it goes to 20, 25 pip in my favor, then I move my SL slowly to the upside. Sometimes it get hit for 10 pips, sometimes 25. 25 is very, very seldom, but yeah, most of the time break even, or sometimes 10 pip, 15 pip loss here, there. So 6, 7 SL hit like that, no big deal. Right? They don't come all together, not even 100 pip. Right? Maybe 100, 150 pip. But you can see how many. If you are right, this is how you get. All right, so this is what the system is all about. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful, very safe and very enjoyable weekend.